What's up, people? This is Frankly Morore, and today, guys, I want to introduce to you to a money-making website known as Rapidworkers. So if you haven't heard of Rapidworkers before, Rapidworkers is a website that actually pays you to complete a couple of tasks, such as completing surveys, completing short reviews, and etc. So once you create your account, you're going to get to the dashboard, and in the dashboard you're going to find a list of tasks that you can complete. So the first step, first of all, is clicking on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you're going to come to this page right here. You have to put your name, your email, your password, and your country. However, I want you people to take note of this. You have to avoid this. You have to avoid using a VPN, using multiple accounts, and doing jobs from other countries. If you do this, your account is going to get banned. So try your best to avoid using a VPN, using multiple accounts, and doing jobs from other countries. And I believe every country is catered for in this website, irrespective of where you're coming from globally. This website has a job for you. So first of all, the thing you have to do is come here, click on target workers, scroll through this list, and try and find your country. If you don't find your country or on this list, just go ahead and click on international jobs, and there you go. So all these jobs, irrespective of where you come internationally, you can do any job here and get paid. So the other thing you can do is come here and click on most paying, so that this list of jobs can be classified from the most paying job to the least paying job. As you can see, we have the most paying job is this one, which is paying $1.5, and you're going to only spend 4 minutes to complete it. This one is a Vindel research. It's only sign up. All you have to do is just sign up, and for only in only less than 2 minutes, you get paid $1.5. So I think it's an amazing website. It's 100% legit. You can go ahead and try it. Irrespective of where you're coming from across the world, you can join this website and actually make money. However, I don't think you can actually get rich using this program. This program is actually for people who are trying to make a quick $10, a quick $5, a quick $20. But in the long term, I don't really think you can actually make a substantial amount with this website, because as you can see, some tasks you have to spend a lot of time to complete a couple of tasks. Like for example, this one, email and zip submits plus fast payment. You have to spend almost 15 minutes and you're only going to get paid $1.4. So I would not recommend Rapidworkers for the long term. But if you're in a quick fix, if you need a quick $5, if you need a quick $10, it can actually be a good website for you. So go ahead and check this website if you want to make quick bucks online. So if you have any question regarding Rapidworkers, just leave the question on the comment section. I reply to every question. So guys, go ahead, log into Rapidworkers and try to complete a couple of tasks. And I'm wishing you all the best.